Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail Stock Analysis. Let's go to the chart. This is the stock. You can see here. The support is at 181.70, and from here you can expect an uptrend. Here is the resistance at 200 level. You can see in daily chart. Okay, as here crossover given by this moving averages given a bullish sign. Okay, here parabolics are also showing uptrend. Okay, MACD crossover was already given before only, and the histogram showing is pulling candles, green candles. Okay, on the histogram. Okay, and the RSI is rising. You can see RSI rising, and the volume has been increasing. You can see clearly volume has been increasing daily. You can expect a huge small the stock can go up. Okay, chances are there. Let's see the you can see if 200 breaks, then it will definitely go to 225 levels. Okay, if the volume increases like this only, then it definitely breaks the 200 levels. That is 200 levels also easily. All we require is the volume. The buyers show interest, then it will go up definitely. Let's go to the weekly chart. Here is the weekly chart. You can see parabolics are showing downtrend here, and the moving average crossover also given down here. Here moving average is given down sign. Okay, this is above the candles forming above the moving average. This means bullish sign only. Trend is changing. Okay, in weekly chart, and MACD crossover downside is given already, and it may go up. Histogram forming green candles, and the RSI is rising, and volume has been increasing. You can see, and in monthly chart, RSI rising same, and the volume is slowly increasing, and the histogram is showing up sign only. Crossover given and forming up. MACD is up. Okay, and here uptrend is coming in monthly chart. Crossover has been given by the moving averages. Okay, parabolic SAR is up only. The support is at 182, and the resistance is at 268 in monthly chart. The stock can move up to 268 in this month or coming month. Okay, RSI rising and all over, and in weekly chart, let's see the support and resistance. The support is at 183. Okay, here there is a breakout here. The resistance, that is support, has been broken, and again it broken the resistance, and it made it as a support. Okay, the next resistance is at 269. The stock can move up to 269 in coming weeks. Okay, $244 in daily chart. The stock can go up to 244. As yesterday is the candle breakout has been given, the resistance 181 has been broken, and the 181 has been become support. 244 stock can reach up to 244 in coming days. Okay, thanks for watching.